trading alchemist.
We don't chase it, we craft it.
Hi everyone, I'm Trading Alchemist and I'm starting my public trading journey. Now I've decided to start one new challenge with a completely new prop firm for me. It's not new in the industry, but for me, I never tried these guys, but I will this time, and I'll show everything. What's the plan? So I want to try to take that challenge or eval and trade it and make some video journaling about what I'm doing. Just a little bit background of me. I'm training for, I guess, for 4 years already, maybe since 2021 2022, and I've been trading all around, like stocks, crypto, forex, and futures. So quite a lot of different markets, but for the last like 2 years I particularly stuck with futures, and I really like futures. So most of the time I trade prop firm accounts. I'm not guru, I'm not the best, the legend or whatever. I'm just simple guy right now going through the journey by myself, and I made quite a decent progress with my own perspective, my own psychology for the last like half a year. Because the journey was really hard, it was with a lot of holes and bumps. So for the last like half a year, I kinda really worked hard with myself, and so I'm still working with myself, but I made really good progress with how I'm trading, and with how I'm managing my emotions, and this is the most important part, I guess, because this stops me from with tilts. And these tilts, usually when I had them, they were like so devastated, like I was blowing accounts to the left, to the right, and yeah, that must stop. So for now I'm way more better prepared with that, and it's okay. So I made quite a decent progress, and that's why I'm thinking maybe I'm ready to start document and make some journaling, and why not to do that on YouTube. So I know that this channel, for now, even if you're watching this video, this is just introduction, probably a bit boring video. It's not gonna be about trading anything, but I have to make some short introduction what I'm gonna do. So I know there is no no viewers right now, so this is even more for myself at this stage. So before I start, I this morning I wake up with a really bad news. One particular firm company, I don't know, they just this morning sent an email letter for everybody. This email where they just announced that they're closing operation, and they just done. And the sad news is for me, because for the last like, I don't know, for months I'm not wasting and buying a lot of evils, because I have some funded accounts with different firms already, and I didn't need, I wanted to stop that, spending and concentrate more on these accounts when I have, and try to build buffers and get payouts and things like that. So but this funding takes company, when they announced they're coming to futures, because we have another another company in CFDs with the forex. I knew that company from forex world, and that company was quite one of the leaders in the industry. So I thought, okay, these guys are really decent. So, and they came to with really good offers, with no activation fees. A lot of their rules were like too good. So, and the price is really cheap. So I took a bunch of accounts. I blew some, I passed some. So I had like 3 master accounts with me, and I was, for the last like weeks, they just started to show some signs of warning, and they started to change rules, and really do some nasty things with traders, and I was touched as well with one of my accounts. However, they still like kept showing interest to save the company, so they really worked in that way. So I was thinking, okay, these guys are struggling, and we don't know how far they go, but at least they try right now. So my goal was to work on these 3 accounts uh, for the last weeks, and I was doing that. My concentration was there. Like I reached all, like you had to have like 6 days, $200 minimum, and also buffers of 2,500 to ask for payout. And I had always like all 3 master accounts was with these 6 days of 200 amounts, and just was not enough the buffer for me, because I'm not like going really big sizes usually. And one of the accounts last 2 days, 2 trading days ago, like last Thursday, today is Monday, it was like just 400 left for payout goal, and I was almost hitting that, and I said, okay, I was doing really great for the whole week, and I said, okay, this day I might reach it, but unfortunately market had other plans for me that day, and I just got some hits. So I just retraced back a bit, but next day I came back, and I started to rebuild it again. So I was thinking maybe Monday, Tuesday, like this week, I will finally reach that buffer and ask for payout. However, these guys had another plan, so we can plan, but the life goes on, and it's just not all the things depends from us. So these guys just announced this. Sure, they should probably refund me for my free master accounts for eval fees, which is gonna be like $132 or something like that. So because I bought with discounts, and that's it for me. Actually, my journey with them ended here. However, I'm starting new eval and new completely challenge and new company for me. I know how it sounds because this was new as well and didn't end well. However, that another guys, they came from forex world as well, and I know them, but they already, like, I think if I'm not wrong, over a year in futures industry, so they doing okay. And also the reason I choose them, I just got some extra coupon code, and the price for me gonna be really low. So that's really good opportunity for me to try it, and this is gonna be a really good opportunity, to document my journey and start from that. So the company is this one, Alpha Futures, and I'm gonna go particularly with 50k account, and Alpha Futures Zero plan, which costs usually $99 a month, and probably they should have some discounts if you go. You should get, I mean, for better price at least. I'm not affiliated with them. I never used them, so it's nothing to do with them. I'm just getting this for this YouTube videos series. I'm gonna start with them. And okay, so I'm not sure, you all might be different level of understanding, and if you are, in that industry, that you know everything well, there's no point for you to watch this one, because you can, join me with next videos when I'm gonna more dedicate to trading and the journey of trading. So but for the ones who's like doesn't understand a lot of what this is, so basically this is just the companies giving you paying a fee, and they giving you some rules and sim account, so you can pass it based on their rules and goals. And if you pass it, you can get that another account, which is funded account. It's still sim account in real life, but at least from there you can start build some cushions and start generating some incomes and cash outs. So basically this account, this challenge is 50k challenge. You can see profit target is 3,000, so we need to reach 3,000 to pass this account and get a new funded account. So they give max position size 3 contracts, which for me is even too much. I'm not gonna go with 3 minis. This is like 3 full mini contracts, so it's plenty of leverage. And maximum drawdown they give you 2,000, and that's gonna be end of the day drawdown. That means it just recalculates in the end of New York session. So if you, for example, make 1,000 of profit for a day, the next after New York ends, when the new day starts, it's gonna reset to 2,000 again. So it's always 2,000 until of course you have funded accounts, and most of the companies offering after that. Once you build the buffers, it's just builds up as well. And once it builds up, it just builds up drawdown as well, because the balance is building up. So anyway, these guys have 1,000 daily loss guard, which means for a day, for one day, you cannot go below 1,000, which is usually, I'm not sure now, but usually with many companies is a soft breach. You're not gonna blow account, but I will need to test this and see the rules. But so no more than 1,000 per day. And no consistency, that means we can pass in one day, which is great. I'm not expecting that anyway, because I'm gonna go with some micros only. And that's it. News is fine as well. So I'm gonna go with this account. My goal gonna be let me probably try to order this account. So it's gonna be zero plan, 50k, and I'm not sure. Our Stripe is the card, so I choose the card. I don't know this one. So 50k, zero plan, so $99, and trader weight. I'll choose trader weight prop, which is gonna be for me. I can trade on trader weight, Ninja Trader, or TradingView. So I prefer this one, and I think this is off now, because we had some issues with Project X. So no more sales of Project X. So just trader weight, and that's it. I'm gonna fill everything now. I'm gonna get that package, and we can talk later about what's the plan for us. Okay, so I'm back. I just filled everything, got the count quite quick, straight to the point. It took like a few minutes, so as you see. This is gonna be our dashboard. Right now we don't see any metrics because it's fresh account. You see the starting day and we have a month. So we have a month time to either pass it or blow it. That's gonna be our deadline, I guess, and we'll see how it goes. You might go to one or might go to another direction. Account status, we're gonna track it here. As you see, profit target is 53,000, so we need 3,000 and we need 48,000 of drawdown. We have it. So we also have trader weight. However, I'm just testing. I'm connected. We see 2,000 drawdown and then account. However, I probably trade through TradingView because I really like it. So for charting, I'm gonna connect it through TradingView, and yeah. Now, just a quick information what we're gonna trade. Like I said, probably in the beginning, I'm not sure exactly. I'm not gonna use one particular mechanic strategy. That's what I'm trying to say, because I have a lot of views in my arsenal. So I might, sometimes I see one thing and another day I see another things, and it's not so strict. It's more like price action. I see levels. I watch levels. I watch like the price itself and structure and many things. So it's not gonna be like some traders probably trying to show like, okay, here's our setup, like if this happens, that happens, and this is our risk reward, and so on. It's not gonna be like that. I'm gonna be like pure market reading and trading what I see. However, risk, I'm gonna trade most of the times. I'm gonna trade just two assets, probably just NQ and gold. So I'll go with micros. So it's gonna be MGC, this one, and MNQ, probably just two of them. And I'm gonna start slowly. I'm gonna start from, I don't know, 2-3 micros, and we'll see how it goes. Because if I start the day good and I start building up buffer, I might increase the contract size on a go. So yeah, and I have in mind one particular strategy of scalping, which I might exactly try on this challenge, because this is like scalping gold mostly, and this is like I usually try when I trade. I usually try to set tight stops and exact stops and everything in place. But with this strategy, I might need to leave some room for a breathe. So we'll see. I might use this strategy and go at some levels and scalp gold only, and don't use tight stops. Or maybe sometimes I use really wide stops, and most of the times maybe I use just a hard stop in my mind, and just set some limit stops far below. We'll see, because like I said, I'm not 100% sure what exactly I'm gonna be doing with this journey video series, with this particular challenge I got now. However, I think it's more than enough for now. We'll see the next videos. I think the second video gonna be more interesting, because I can explain more in detail what I took and how it went, and maybe I hope everything's gonna be okay and no tilts and no big losses, and we're gonna move forward. So okay, thanks for joining, thanks for watching, and speak to you next time, and see you soon. Have a good day, guys.
No magic, just method, just the alchemy.